My channel. In this video we're gonna catch up a quick section of how to make a register or login page by using HTML and CSS. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. First, open your text editor, whatever it may be. I prefer Sublime Text as my major text editor because it's quite reliable and flexible text editor. So anyhow, create a new file and save as register.html. Okay, in here first of all we have to create HTML tag, and in the title we write something like register form. Register. Okay, and then create a style sheet which will be helpful at the end for CSS and stuff like that. So then jump into the body and yeah, now create the form. Okay, inside the form create a div tag and give the class name like container. Okay, inside the container, for sake of heading, write register here or register, something like that. So it doesn't make any sense. And then create a paragraph, small paragraph, like uh, it will be useful for your users, like please fill this form to create an account or something like that. So I write, please fill in this form to create account. Okay, then moving on to the input tags, which is the real format of form. So now create the HR tag slash HR. Inside this we gonna give the required information from the user, like email, username or password or something like that. I'm gonna give email first. Let's make it bold. Sorry, bold. It will be pretty much attractive for the user to use, and write the input tag, type as text, and name its email, and in the placeholder we're gonna write enter email. Okay, and break the line, break it, sorry, break it here as well, so that it will not be continuing in the same line. It will be useful for, it will be nice work, clear work, sorry. And then copy the one, paste it over here, then again paste it over here, then change this email as password. In here change text as password. Okay, you can write name something like PSW or whatever. In here change email as again password. Okay, then the same stuff here, but repeat password. Okay, change this text as, sorry, password, and name as or PSW or something. In here, change this as repeat password. Okay, make the changes and run it in your browser. I'm gonna run it in Google Chrome. Sorry, open with Chrome. Yeah, man, RIT, it's here, but I know it's kinda ugly post. So what we gonna do is, oh, sorry, I haven't make a register button here. So let's button, type type as submit button we want, submit, and then give it a class name like register button, register button. Okay, in here write login. Oh, I'm sorry, register. Okay, yeah, fine. After that, we wanna give some description about this form, right? So create another div. Inside the div, uh, write a paragraph like /p. Fine. For this is for the sake if someone who really have an account already in this web page, they could click some button and they can jump into their page directly. So sorry, already have an account. Click here. Okay. So to make this as a link, we have to write the href tag, add some link here. It will be better. Fine. So save it and reload your Google form. So it will be like this. We have done our HTML part, and to make this to look good or better, we have to go into our CSS part. CSS is nothing; they don't do any shit, but it make your page to look good. So now first we'll give boxing size, border box, and give the margin be 10 pixel, and make the padding 0 at first. Okay, then jump into your container pod, which is this div, this total pod. So what we gonna do is that copy this pod and sorry, paste it over here with a dot. Okay, I'm gonna pad this for 16 pixel, and then jumping on to the input pod, input type equal to text, and then for this type is password, sorry, password, and then open the curly braces and make the width 100%. Then pad this 15 pixel. Okay, no, let's make it 16, will be better. Then margin, I'm gonna give margin for all the sides. In the top 5 pixel, on the right 0, bottom 22 pixel, and gonna give left as also 0, and display this inline block. Border, I don't want any border for this, none. Okay, and then background will be f1 f1 sorry, f1. This is the kind of color which is blur blue. Let's make the changes and run it here. Now you can see it's pretty good, right? Righty. Now I'm gonna do some changes for these two things, which is register and the external link for the new page. Okay, so jump into the HR tag now. In here, make the border as 1 pixel or 2 pixel, whatever. I'm gonna give the color the same which I gave there. It's easy to remember, right? And then give the margin border. I'm gonna give 25 pixel each so that a neat label will be seen here. Okay, the gap in here is 25 pixel. And then I'm gonna jump into the register button now. To make the register button, I'm gonna make hover effect even. So what we're gonna do is that copy this class name and paste it here, open the curly braces. Then I'm gonna give the background color as 4CAF50. Okay, then the color for the font register is going to be white. I'm gonna pad this 16 pixel on the top and bottom, and 20 pixel on left and right, and margin for this on the top 8 pixel and left and right 0. I don't want any border, so I'm gonna give border as none. Sorry. And the cursor, make it pointer, make the changes, and look at over here. Look, if you go on the register button, your cursor will turn into a pointer. That's what cursor as pointer means. I'm gonna make the width as 100% as well here, and opacity is 0.9 seconds. Okay, and copy this to make the hover effect, paste it over here with the colon hover, and open the curly braces. What changes you want, you can give. Opacity is 1, and I'm gonna make the color to change as white to light green. Okay, we have done 90% of the work here. We just have to make some CSS for this div. Okay, so let's make a class here, class as all. So in here dot all, make text align as center, and background color will be the same which I have given on the top. Okay, make the changes and run your register form. Okay, yeah, that's it guys. If you like this, thumbs up for this video. If you don't, thumbs down for this video. And if you have any queries or some stuff like that, please mention in the comment section, and keep the comment section neat and clean with respectful. And subscribe this channel for more videos. And that's thank you guys.